Welcome to TinkerSpace. Our project name is Automatic Dustbin Lid. Here we use eye approximate sensor as input and its function is to detect human. Here we use Servo Motor and its function is to open the lid automatically. Now let's connect the components. Here we connect eye approximate sensor to the input 1. Here we connect servo motor to the output 1. Now the connection is done. Now let's do coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here I added IR proximity sensor as input 1 and in output 1 I added servo motor. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only, click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor off in servo motor, I will select Angle and I will keep the angle in 90 degrees and click on Save Settings. In the input 1 sensor on in servo motor, I will select Angle and the angle I will choose in 0 degree. Now click on Save Settings. And in input 1 sensor on, I will add some delay. Around 2.5 seconds of delay I will add. Now click on Save Settings. In the Automatic Dustbin Lid Control project, in the input 1 sensor off means the IR proximity sensor is not detecting the presence of an object, and in input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object. Now, in the input 1 sensor off in the servo motor, when the IR proximity sensor is not detecting the presence of an object, we put the angle of 90 degree. So it depends upon how we put your servo motor. So based on that, we have done the coding. So here, if the IR proximity sensor is not detecting the presence of an object, so it will turn to 90 degree angle. So that means the lid will close. And when the IR proximity sensor and in the input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object. In that case, the angle will be 0, means the lid will open to 90 degree angle. The lid will open till 0. And when the input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of an object, so the lid will open till 2.5 seconds. So after 2.5 seconds, the lid will close. When a person comes near to the IR proximity sensor, the sensor will detect it and later the lid will open and till 2.5 seconds, the lid will be open and later if the IR proximity sensor is not detecting the person, then the lid will close after 2.5 seconds. So like this, the Automatic Dustbin Lid Control project's coding works. After the coding part is done, now click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is TinkerSpace125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to TinkerSpace.in and the password is TinkerSpace123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now the coding is completed. Let's test the project. Now the project is tested. Now let's implement this to our model. Here we finished the model of our project. Here we fixed eye approximate sensor. Here we fixed servo motor to the lid of the dustbin. Now let's do the demo. When the person comes in front of the dustbin, the lid opens automatically. And when the person goes, the lid closes automatically.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.